Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you this project today. So let's get started. So I'm using this mixed media paper and Neocolor 2 crayons. So it's been a while, so I'm going to use these crayons for the background. I'm going to scribble on the background paper. I'm going to use these two colors. This is like usually I spray water and then put the color. So here I'm first going to scribble and then I'm going to spray some water. These are nice and rich colors, so I can think about making another project using the same colors. So now I'm adding water and I'm using the brush and spreading it out. You can see the paint is nice and rich. Now I'm still adding water in this. Now I'm going to use another mixed media paper and press it and take out some of the paint. So that way I have two different backgrounds. So you can see that I'm taking out the paint from that and adding in this. So you can easily see how rich it is. And they're bright too. And I can adjust the colors like this way because I can lighten it and take out some of the color and use it in the other project. Now I'm going to heat dry it. Now I'm adding the third color in this. I'm just scribbling that and then taking that paint from there. I just thought it'll be interesting to add third color in this. If you don't like it, you don't need to add. Now I'm going to darken it. You can keep doing it till you get satisfied. Now I had to stop here and then I'm going to now heat dry it. Then I'm going to use this stamp which is from Global Land. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to list all those in the description box below. I'm not going to use a lot of stamps in this project, so I'm going to use only simple stamps. Now I'm going to keep this, add this element in this and see how I want it, and then add the focal point. So I think I'm going to use this acrylic paint pen and just trying to put some dots. But before that, I decided to keep this as this way I wanted, and I'm going to use the glue and adhere it. I didn't want like too many stamps because the color is so bright in the background, and my elements are also in the black color, so I didn't want to add too many stamps, and um, because it gets too much crowded otherwise. So I'm just going to add this circle die and then focal point on the top. I like this cute little dog. Now I'm going to use acrylic paint pen and I'm going to do some mark making or doodling. This is like from King's Art. You can find this in Walmart or any. Nowadays, I see that even in Home Goods. So It's not very expensive, but they are still nice and bright. Then I'm adding white uniball pen. So now I'm going to leave it for it to dry, and then I'm going to work on this one. Now for this background, I'm thinking what to do. Um, I'm going to use the other stamp from that. It's more like a grungy kind of a stamp. These are like nice stamps that we can use it for many projects. Again, I'm not going to use too many stamps for this project because it already has like a nice background. I don't need to add too many of them. Now I'm going to put away this. I'm going to use this stencil. Um, this is more like a geometrical and numbers. So I'm going to use the washi tape and stick to the side so that it doesn't move. Now I'm going to use the molding paste and add this molding paste to this project. I'm not going to cover it, I'm just going to use it on one side. So now I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put this in the water, and then I'm going to heat dry this. Then I'm going to trim my focal point. I'm going to see how I want it, and then I'm adding this cheesecloth to give some background texture, and then I'm going to add this focal point. Now I'm going to add this small butterfly. I thought that will be an interesting element. Now I'm going to use these stickles to give some shine on the butterfly. Then I'm going to um, add the coat. Then I'm going to use the pen and scribble a little bit. Then I'm going to finish this project. So I'm going to sprinkle on the top. I thought it is too plain little bit, so I'm going to just splatter few drops and then finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. Um, I will try to post all the things I used in the description box. I will see you later. Bye.